Did you finish this math? Equivalence relation. Selim, did you solve that math or
No, sir. Transitives are left.
oh transitive remaining?
Yes, sir.
So transitive, that was definition of something like this. If AB and BC belongs, then you have to search whether AC belongs in or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Transitive definition was if AB a pair and BC another pair, if these two pair belongs in a relation, then we need to check, we need to find whether AC belongs in or not. If AC belongs, then we can say yes, this is transitive relations. Right, Selim? That was the definition.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Baijit, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, bhai. So what we have to consider, dear student? Oh, can we start or we have to wait?
Yes, sir. We
Already
can
4
start, sir.
minutes. Okay. Oh, Imtiaz Rafi, why you are late, gentlemen? To show the transitive, okay? To show the transitive relationship, okay? Transitive relations. To show the transitive relations, what we have to consider, dear student? We have to consider A congruent to B modulo M, right? And B congruent to C modulo M. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to consider, suppose these two words belongs, right? Let etho and etho. This is the condition. So what does it mean? What does it mean? This means this represents the A minus B is divisible by M, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
And BC means what? BC means this implies that B minus C is divisible by M. Okay? Up to this clear? We have just written this same line. Huh? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
So actually this is divisible by M means what? This is divisible by M means we can write A minus B equals to, can I write Km for some multiplier for some integer K? Can I write
Yes, sir.
Yes,
for
sir.
some integer K which is greater than definitely 0, right? I think we have explained this one. Huh? Or do you have any question, dear student? Do you have any question about this line? How can you
No,
write
sir.
this?
No, sir.
Okay. So similarly this can be written. This can be written b minus c equals to. You can consider another here. So here k. So you can consider lm, right? Where l is the for some integer l is greater than 0, right? Are you agree with me or not? Do you understand, Ifrat?
Yes, sir.
Now dear student, can we add these two equation? This one and this one. Can we add it? Adding the two equation a minus b plus b minus c is equals to km plus lm. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Honey, any
Yes, sir.
question, honey? Okay.
No, sir.
So if you then this b you can cancel it. So a minus c is equals to k. We can common m also. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So dear student, k and l both are integer, right? So if you add two integer, what will be the result? It will be integer or fraction?
Integer.
Integer.
Sir.
So can I consider instead of writing kl, can I consider as a p another integer? Can I consider? Can I consider where p equals to k plus m, k plus l? Can I consider? I mean integer here. What is p? P is the integer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And the
Are you
body
agree with me or not?
the
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So a minus c is equals to pm. So dear student, now just analyze this one. Whenever you have written this one in previous line, what is the meaning? Previous line it state that the a minus b equals to km means a minus b is divisible by m, right?
Yes, sir.
So here it is given the a minus c is equals to pm means a minus c is divisible by m, right? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
So since a minus b is divisible by m means in previous line what is the meaning? Means a congruent to b modulus m. Do you understand? By going to the reverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Backward. Do you understand or not? We are just concluding from this line, okay? So that means this indicates that a minus c is divisible by m. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So since a minus is divisible by m means what is this? It means a is congruent to c modulus m, right?
Sir, both is not shown fully.
You cannot show the lower part. Now can you see, Minaj?
Yes, sir.
Bajit, can I write this?
Yes, sir.
So we have considered this one and this one. To show the transitive relation, we need to consider. Actually, we have considered these two. The let this and this. So on the basis of this, On the basis of our consideration, we are coming here, right?
Yes, sir.
So AC. So you can say that is AC also belongs in the relation, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
So now just write. So just write. So the congruence relation. So the congruence. So the given relation is transitive, right? Relation is transitive. Okay, transitive should, right?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
dear students. So since transitive showed, and we have already showed that is reflexive, transitive and symmetric, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So since it satisfies three conditions, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so we can say that the relation is equivalence relation. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Equivalent.
So you can just write a single sentence left, just write Bijit, just write since the relation is reflexive, comma,
Symmetric.
symmetric and
Transitive.
transitive, that's why the relation is equivalence relation.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
স্যার এক্সামে আমাদের এটা প্রুভ করতে হবে এভাবে।
Yes.
ওকে স্যার।
আমি বোধহয় আপনাদের বইয়ে দিয়ে দিছিলাম পেজটা সহ আপনাদের স্ক্রিনশটে, দেখেছেন কি? আপনাদের বোধহয় গ্রুপে দেওয়া হয়েছিল।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, but not understand.
তো এটা করে দেওয়া আছে, ম্যাথগুলো করে দেওয়া আছে, কিছু হয়তো বা ডিফারেন্ট হবে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলো, বাট করে দেওয়া আছে। হ্যাঁ, do you have any other question? Dear student, do you have any other question?
No, sir.
নো স্যার।
And did you check the graph? কিছু আপনাদের দেওয়া ছিল, ওগুলো চেক করেছিলেন?
স্যার লাস্টের টুকু দেখতে পাচ্ছি না বোর্ডে।
হ্যাঁ, ইফরাত।
লাস্ট
So the given relation is transitive.
ওকে স্যার।
Ifrat, so the given relation is transitive. এর পরে লিখেন since it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so R is an equivalent relation. Okay, Ifrat?
ওকে স্যার।
So we have 5 classes left. 5 classes left. In every class, I am going to take like a class test or quiz or any other. You have to submit in Google Classroom. Do you understand, dear student?
ইয়েস স্যার।
So
স্যার
please, আপনি মিস করবেন না। Yes, honey.
বুঝতে পাই নাই।
We have 5 classes left, right? Except today's 5 class left. So
Yes,
this
sir.
5 class, each and every class there will be a quiz or class test or assignment. I mean, you have to submit some work. I mean, class time. Within class time, you have to submit work. Do you understand?
ওকে স্যার। ওকে।
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Huh? সো প্লিজ আপনারা মিস করবেন না।
Sir, what will be our syllabus? Final exam syllabus.
That's good question. So final syllabus, final topics. Dear student, final topics. First term,
Sir,
actually,
the last line, I couldn't see the last line of this
oh,
map.
okay, Tanjum. Tanjum, last line was, so the given relation is transitive, right, Tanjum?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Would
sir.
you please write?
Thank you, sir.
So the given relation is transitive. Have you finished your writing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Then
you, sir.
write, after that line, just write, since the relation is reflexive, comma, symmetric and transitive, so it is an equivalence relation. Right, Tanjum?
Yes, sir.
Just give me some minutes. I'm going to give you a question. Would you please try? We are
Hello,
going to
sir.
solve. Yes, fine.
স্যার ফাইনাল এক্সামের সিলেবাস কি ফার্স্ট টার্ম মিড টার্ম সহ না শুধু স্যার
Oh,
ফাইনাল?
first term, there will be one chapter. First term,
উইথ
single
চ্যাপ্টার?
question from first term. So you can just select,
ওকে
or maybe, or এটা কি বলা ঠিক হবে?
জি স্যার।
জি
স্যার
স্যার
বলে দেন স্যার।
স্যার আমাদের অনেক প্রেশার আছে স্যার, অনেক কোর্স টোর্স নিয়ে স্যার এক্সাম যে একটু বলে দিলে স্যার ভালো হতো আমাদের জন্য।
স্যার টপিকটা তো জাস্ট বল দিছেন স্যার, কোশ্চেন তো আর না।
ওকে বলেন, হুই টপিক আপনি বলেন।
Sir, don't need any topic.
But you need to mention, right, Minhaj? টপিক তো বলতে হবে, না হলে কি হবে?
স্যার টোটোলজি পড়াইছেন, তারপরে
ইয়েস স্যার।
বাবল শট
ফার্স্ট
পড়াইছেন
চ্যাপ্টার
স্যার।
থেকে স্যার।
আপনারা আমাকে বললেন যে এই টপিক থেকে আমি দেখব,
ফিগার
চেষ্টা করব।
সিকার কি স্যার?
ফার্স্ট টপিক থেকে দেখেন।
ইয়েস স্যার, চ্যাপ্টার 1 থেকে।
স্যার বাবল শর্ট, বাইনারি সার্চ স্যার এগুলো।
স্যার লজিক, লিনিয়ার সার্চ, বাইনারি সার্চ।
হ্যাঁ, যেটাই হোক আমাকে বললেন, আমি দেখব, রাখার চেষ্টা করব।
ওকে স্যার।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
আমি আমি পিকচার তুলে রাখছিলাম কোয়েশ্চেনটার, কিন্তু খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না। On 2 minutes more. Yes. Dear student, would you please try there are 3 question, হ্যাঁ? আমি কি আপনাকে গ্রুপে দিয়ে দেবো পিকচার?
জি স্যার।
ইয়েস স্যার, দিয়ে দেন।
আচ্ছা, এটা বেটার হবে। ডান। C section. And please write your name and ID on the top of script. Please write your name and ID. দেখা যাচ্ছে পিকচার?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
ক্লিয়ারলি দেখা যাচ্ছে? আবার মেসেঞ্জারে পিকচার হয়ে যায়, ফেটে যায়।
না স্যার, ক্লিয়ার।
দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার।
Okay. So would you please try?
স্যার এই 3টা কোশ্চেন।
Yes. Question, is it hard question, Baijit?
নো স্যার।
স্যার,
And please submit. Yes.
স্যার
Ifrat.
সাবমিট করতে হবে?
Yes, yes. In
এখনই
Google Classroom. Yes, in Google Classroom you have to submit. By this time I can take attendance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Oh, there is a E number question. E number asymmetric, right? So you can ignore this question, right? Dear student,
Yes, sir.
46 asymmetric, you can ignore this part.
Yes, sir.
And also irreflexive, right? You can ignore this part also. Actually, these are very simple things. Huh? But you need to show reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. You can maybe solve anti-symmetric, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
নাকি বলে দিব? আপনার করেন, সবগুলোই সহজ। But in final, question will be from equivalence relation. Okay? Mehdi Hassan Munna. Munna represent.
Yes, sir. I am present.
Farhan
Sir.
Labib.
Yes, sir. Munna present.
Oh, Munna present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hadi Ujjaman.
Yes, sir.
Sakibullah Mian.
Yes, sir.
Moshiur Rahman. Abdullah Mahdi Hassan Shohag.
Yes, sir.
Israfil Hussain.
Present, sir.
Shadatullah Naim.
Yes, sir.
Anika Bushra.
Yes, sir.
Niaz Morshed.
Yes, sir.
Hossein MD Safat.
Yes, sir.
Bonni বিশ্বাস.
Yes, sir.
Nazrul Islam.
Present, sir.
Redwan Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Mohammad Sadiqul Islam.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yeah, Sadiqul Islam. Next time, if you join late, I will not let you in. Today also you are late. I don't know why. Imtiaz Hussain Rafi.
Yes, sir.
Juliana Tonu.
Present, sir.
Farjana Tania.
Yes, sir.
Israt Jahan Ira.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wanik Paul,
Yes, sir.
Shahin Iqbal, Farjan Akhtar Hima,
Present, sir.
Raida Farouz,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Romana Afroz, Romana, Sabrina Akhtar,
Yes, sir.
Abdul Latif Talukdar. Today, why you are late, gentlemen?
Sir, my electricity has been gone, sir. That's why, sir.
Shanta Chaudhary,
Yes, sir.
Rahatil Mahmuda,
Yes, sir.
Ruhul Amin,
Present, sir.
Nahida Islam, Humayun Kabir,
Yes, sir. Humayun Kabir.
Khandokar Sakibul Habib,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Sanjida Khan Mitu, Orchita Roy,
Yes, sir.
Sanjida
Yes,
present.
sir.
Okay. Orchita, maybe some classes you are absent.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Oh, maybe you are. Okay, Sumaya Islam Shanta,
Yes,
Kaji
sir.
Faria Sarmin,
Yes, sir.
Siab Sarwar,
Yes, sir.
Jubair, why you are late, gentlemen?
স্যার আজকে ভ্যাকসিন নিতে আসছিলাম স্যার, এখন বাসায় যাচ্ছি।
Second dose?
না স্যার, ফার্স্ট ডোজ স্যার।
Oh. So how can you write? By, yeah, Jubair.
স্যার এখন গাড়ির উপর বসে আছি স্যার।
Have you finished your writing, dear student? Have you finished?
No, sir.
But you need to only write down the question, right? This math is not given. You have to make question. Right, Ifrat?
Yes, sir.
So I think you can easily write.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Mashur.
Moshir Rahman present, sir.
Hey, Mashur Rahman. I think your attendance is given.
Okay, sir.
Okay, gentlemen. Mashur Rahman, are you okay?
No, sir, I am sick.
What happened to you, Mashur?
Sir, আমার জ্বর ঠান্ডা অনেক মাথা ব্যথা।
Do you take medicine?
Yes, sir.
সামনে পরীক্ষা, ভালোভাবে মেডিসিন নেন।
জি
একটু
স্যার
সতর্ক থাকেন।
জি স্যার
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I missed
Romana.
my attendance, sir. Sir, I was present, sir. But sir,
But why did you respond me?
স্যার আমি একটু স্যার মাথা ধুইতে গেছিলাম স্যার, আমার জ্বর আসছে তো